Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to fix shutter lag in the camera app of your Samsung Galaxy phone. The reason you might encounter shutter lag in the camera app is because it's set up to begin recording videos when you tap and hold the shutter button. So, even in photo mode, if you tap and hold the shutter button, it starts recording videos. This slows down the camera app's ability to capture photos promptly. Additionally, if you move the phone while taking a photo, it can lead to poor quality or blurry photos. Fixing this is fairly straightforward. For that, you will need to use Samsung's Camera Assistant app. It is Samsung's official app that provides additional camera controls. Head to the Galaxy Store on your phone and search for Camera Assistant. Now, tap the download button next to it to install it on your phone. Once installed, open the Camera Assistant app. Here, turn on the toggle next to Quick Tap Shutter. As you can see in the description, this feature will allow the camera app to capture the photo as soon as you touch the shutter button. From the same menu, turn off the video's recording in photo mode option. This will prevent the camera app's ability to record videos in photo mode. After this, return to the camera app and see if you notice any improvements in the shutter lag. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.